Hi, this is Jamie Klossmeyer. For my second technology, we will discuss Poll Everywhere. Poll Everywhere is an online assessment tool that allows you to create real-time polls or surveys. You can find it at polleverywhere.com. The purpose of this technology would be to use it in a classroom setting to give students these surveys or polls to gauge whether they're understanding the content that you're teaching. And I also think it's a great tool to keep them engaged as well. As you can see, I've listed the ISTE standards I feel aligned to this technology. Now we'll go to Poll Everywhere. So once you go to polleverywhere.com, you can log in using your Google account. Once you get there, you can start by clicking on Add an Activity. As you can see in the top toolbar, there are different types of polls you can create. If you click the More button, there are numerous other selections as well. So one of the reasons that I liked this tool is it did give a wide array of different types of polls that you can create. I'm going to go ahead and click on multiple choice and add a quick poll of who was the first president. And then a couple different selections. You can also move these around by dragging and dropping, delete them over here. It's pretty user-friendly. Now we're going to go ahead and create the poll. In the main section here, you'll see a preview what the poll will look like. At the top, it denotes the website that you can go to access a poll, as well as the instructions that if you want to text in your responses. First, we're going to go ahead and test the survey by clicking on Test. In order to test, you do have to activate it, so we're going to click on Activate. And let's just pick the answer, or an answer. We'll click on Washington, and as you can see, this is how it would populate in the real-time setting. So we're going to go ahead and send this so that we can go ahead and get the poll live. As you can see, here are some instructions on how to present directly out of the site. So if you want to click on here, you can present right in the application itself. Or you can also share a link and embed that for instance, into a PowerPoint presentation. One of the reasons that I also chose this app is because you can specifically use this in Google, in your Google Slides. So there's an extension that you can get for free out of the Google App Store that allows you to more easily add the Poll Everywhere polls into your Google presentations. So if you have that extension, you will see a Poll Everywhere icon in the Google Slides toolbar, and then you can easily add that into your Google Slides. So that was my quick tutorial on Poll Everywhere. Hope you like it. Thanks.